Welcome to the Madeira tutorial on how to fix badges to garments with heat-activated heat seal film. Prepare all necessary materials. Place the embroidered badge face down on baking or wax paper to protect surfaces from the glue. Cut a piece of heat seal film to cover the badge and place it onto the reverse side of the embroidery with release paper on top. Prefix the adhesive film onto the badge and iron it. Accurately cut away the excess film. Then remove the release paper and position the badge on the garment. Cover with a clean cloth and press the badge into place. Carefully turn the garment inside out and iron through the fabric, pressing hard. Protect the surface of the badge during ironing with a clean cloth. Good to know, the glue is reactivated each time it is ironed, so it lasts a lifetime. Place aside for 48 hours until the full adhesive force is reached. Find this and more videos at www.madeira.com/bestpractice.